Good evening. First tonight, we begin with the strong storms that turned deadly in Minnesota Friday, killing a young child from South Dakota. Authorities in Mankato say a 4-year-old girl died when a tree branch fell on a tent at a city park. It was around 2:30 Friday morning. Life-saving efforts were performed, but the girl was later pronounced dead at a local hospital. That girl was from South Dakota, and she was with her family at the park for an annual powwow. Other family members inside the tent were unharmed.